Electrogastrography refers to the method of recording the stomach's electrical activity. The stomach has an electrical pacemaker. That pacemaker is very important for controlling the contraction waves that mix and empty the food we eat. So the technology has been developed over 20, 30 years, but only over the last perhaps 10, 20 years are we getting more medical uses from the electrogastrogram as we apply these methods to patients who have conditions which generally revolve around nausea. So what is new and exciting for us is that when we find patients who have this normal rhythm but gastroparesis, we can now begin to offer a specific treatment of the pyloric spasm or dysfunction. And at this point, the treatments are injecting Botox, which relaxes the muscle, or placing a balloon in the sphincter and stretching the pylorus to make it weaker.